What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new daily market update. I'm not sure if I'm going to call this an emergency update. Probably yes, because I just want to grab your attention, all right? Because right now, first of all, what we'll do in this video is we'll talk about the market, all right? So we'll talk about Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing, what to expect from it. And then maybe most importantly, we'll also talk about what that means for the market. What that means for altcoins, what altcoins are the best to trade. I do have some very, I would say, solid opinions on that, but that's up to you to judge, of course. But the thing is that at this point of time, look, Bitcoin is bullish, all right? So we're going right into this. And by the way, if I look a little bit weird on my face, I just went for a run, all right? And it's 20 degrees here in the Netherlands, which is super hot for this part of the world. So yeah, I'm a little bit exhausted, but let's get right into it. So Bitcoin right now, I would say, is bullish. All right, you can see we had a bit of a momentum drop yesterday, but that's also, I mean, we also hit a significant resistance. All right, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, 64,000, you have a 200 EMA there. On the daily time frame, you have some stronger EMAs there. That was the main key level to break. And right now, it looks like on the 1-hour time frame, we're breaking above that level, as you can see, which is super bullish, all right? And at the same point of time, we are also gaining momentum again. So that's all great, and that's very bullish. But the thing is, and that's kind of the reason why I want to call this an emergency update, is that at this moment, the volume is still dropping down. All right, so what that means is that if you, for example, look at last Thursday or something, or last Friday, the volume was around $50 billion. If the volume is going back up from where it is right now, which is 17, back up to 30, for example, in the next 2 days, which is probably going to happen, then we're going to see huge volatility. And what that means is that even though right now Bitcoin looks super bullish, we could have some big spikes down. And with the current Bitcoin dominance, which is relatively quite high, that means that altcoins will absolutely suffer. So in my opinion, Bitcoin will stay bullish, all right? Even if Bitcoin gets a pullback into 62,700, but also 61,800 is possible. Potentially even lower, but that's not what I expect. But Bitcoin will hold those levels, and I think Bitcoin will also stay bullish after that and can break above 64,000 and rally up to 66,500. That's what I expect. But in this drop, altcoins can suffer. So be careful for that, all right? But like I said, at this moment, it doesn't matter how we do it. I have enough reason to be bullish on Bitcoin, all right? The momentum we're gaining, the spot buying we're seeing, the ETF inflows, the more positive narrative about the interest rates. There's enough reasons to be bullish, and I am bullish because of that, all right? And whether that's with a breakout we get today and a rally up there towards 66,000, or first a pullback, consolidation, and then the breakout, I don't care. So, which cryptos to trade? I have an interesting opinion on that, all right? Because I've always told you in the last couple of days, it's meme coins, all right? If you look at Floki, look at Bonk, look at Pepe. Pepe still is a good crypto to trade, I think, but meme coins right now are kind of laying down a bit. And a new narrative is popping off, and that's AI, all right? We have NVIDIA earnings, which is a very related to AI company. We have ChatGPT, or at least a GPT-5 model coming out probably relatively quickly. So what you see this morning, and I think it's going to last, even though, like I said, it might also have a pullback. But what you see right now is that coins like Ocean, Ajax, WorldCoin, Fetch, Render, Near are doing great. All right, so keep your eyes on that AI narrative. All right, so personally, I bought Render earlier. I bought Ajax this morning, which is doing relatively well. It could be doing better. But also look at a Fetch. So that's right here. Look at a Fetch, look at an Ocean, look at a WorldCoin. Keep your eyes on that AI narrative, all right? Because I do think that there are opportunities in the next 2.5 weeks at least, as long as Bitcoin stays bullish. So keep your eyes on that as well. And then apart from that, just looking at some individual cryptos, you see a crypto like Tether, bit of a manipulated crypto, but that looks relatively good if I'm able to find it, if that's able to get some sort of a breakout right here. That can actually rally quite a bit. It's gaining a lot of momentum right now. A coin like Boom is actually looking quite good. And again, AI narrative is again looking good as well. Celestia was showing some momentum, so that's interesting. But that's about it for now. All right, so that's what you need to know. That's your emergency crypto update for today, Sunday, the 5th of May. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.